Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Science Studio 321. Today we will discuss understanding fraction. So let's start our topic. Fraction basics. A fraction is written like this: numerator divided by denominator is equal to 3 divided by 4. So numerator, the top number in a fraction is called numerator. It tells how many parts you have. For example, in 3 divided by 4, the numerator is 3. Similarly, denominator, the bottom number in a fraction is called denominator. So here 4 is denominator. For example, in 3 divided by 4, the denominator is 4, meaning the whole is split into 4 equal parts. So another example of 3 divided by 4. So 3 divided by 4 means 3 out of 4. So look at this circle. The circle is divided into 4 equal parts, and the 3 parts are colored greenish like color. So this is called 3 divided by 4 because the 3 equal parts are colored out of 4. So we can say 3 divided by 4. So we can say it 3 divided by 4 means 3 out of 4. So there are 4 total parts and the 3 parts are colored. So we can say 3 out of 4 equal parts. Similarly, 1 divided by 4 or 1/4 is equal to this. Look at the circle. The black part of the circle is equal to 1 divided by 4. Here, the black part of the circle is equal to 2 divided by 4 because 2 parts out of 4 are colored, that is black colored. And here it is equal to 3 divided by 4 because 3 parts are colored. So it is equal to 3 divided by 4, and this is 4 divided by 4 because all the 4 parts are colored. So fraction have many applications and examples in our daily life. For example, 1/4 or 1 divided by 4 means 25%. Similarly, 2 divided by 4 means 50%, and 3 divided by 4 is equal to 75%, and 4 divided by 4 is equal to 100%. Let's take an example. If there is a tank and there is some water in the tank, and if the tank is 25% filled with water, so you can say the tank is 1/4 filled. You can also say that the tank is 1/4 filled. Similarly, if the tank is 50% filled, so you can say it is filled 2/4, or you can say 2/4 filled. And for 100% or fully filled tank, you can say it is fully filled or 4 divided by 4. Addition of fraction. So how we can add fraction? Let's discuss. Let's add 1 divided by 4 with 2 divided by 4. So 1 divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 4. So look at this picture. It is equal to 1 divided by 4, as I have told you earlier, and this is equal to 2 divided by 4. So we try to add these two fraction. So if you see at the picture over here, if we add this with this fraction, so it is very clear that it will become 3 divided by 4. But it is the some like pictorial representation which is equal to 3 divided by 4, and it is very clear from this example. But let's see how can we add mathematically the fractions. So 1 divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 4. First of all, we will take LCM of these two numbers. So the LCM of these two numbers is 4. So then we will divide this 4 by this number. So 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. And then we will multiply the 1 with this one. So 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. And we will write 1 over here. Similarly, we will divide this 4 by this. So 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. And we will multiply 1 with this 2. So 1 multiplied by 2 equal to 2, and we will write 2 over here. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So 3 divided by 4. So 1 divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by 4. It is proved mathematically, and you can say from these diagram, it is proved that 1 divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by 4. Addition of fraction. Here is another example. If a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 3, and if they are in the fraction like a divided by c plus b divided by c, so how can we add? So we will take LCM. So c is the LCM. C divided by c equal to 1. 1 multiplied by a is equal to a. So we will write a over here. Similarly, c divided by this c equal to 1 multiplied by 1 multiply with this number. So 1 multiplied by b equal to b. So we will write b over here. So a divided by c plus b divided by c is equal to a plus b divided by c. So this is this part of this equation. Now let's solve this part of the equation. So we put the values 5 divided by 3 as a divided by c. So the value of a is 5 and the value of c is 3. So 5 divided by 3, and similarly 4 divided by 3. So we will take LCM. The LCM is 3. So 5 plus 4 equal to 9 divided by 3. So the addition of 4 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 3 plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 9 divided by 3. So similarly, we can add different fractions. In algebra, it is an algebraic expression. Basically, it is a rational expression. So x square minus 1 divided by x plus 3. In this expression, the numerator is x square minus 1 and the denominator is x plus 3. So this was all for today, and it was about the fraction. In next video, we will discuss different types of fractions. So please stay with us, and please like our video and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.